are at 1394 Neapolitan Drive, and I want to show you this house in Deep Creek. Some of the things that are terrific about this Deep Creek community are that there are all utilities here. It is a deed restricted area. There are green belts behind each property. Now this house does have an entry. First thing is you do have a coat closet here. That's missing on a lot of the Florida homes, and it's still a handy feature. Now we've got our living area, you know, a good amount of space, and the front dining is right over here. Has a very pretty light fixture. And these are good sized rooms because this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with large bedrooms. The family room, there is a step down here. The room probably used to be a lanai, but don't worry, there is still a lanai, and it's right out here. So here's the lanai. It's all screened, and another nice feature here is that you have an entrance to the master bath. So if you ever did want to put a pool in the backyard, you have a pool bath. Let's go back inside. So here is the kitchen area. There is a sunny breakfast nook. You've got a nice little bump out with plenty of windows, and you can see there's a lovely backyard, and the green belt that separates the properties one from another gives you a nice feeling of spaciousness. The kitchen has all thick wood cabinets, very nice, and formica counters. The refrigerator is new, just 7 months old, and you'd have a pantry here. Now the bedrooms do have a new plush carpet. The rest of the house is tiled. And this room, again, you have a bump out. This house has a lot of them, which is very nice, a very nice feature. The master bathroom, you have a nice solid surface counter with the undermount sink, a very large walk-in closet that wraps around behind the shower and has linens, a place for linens in there. And then I think this is a sign of better quality construction because the shower is tiled, including the ceiling on it. And then again, here is the door that will go out into the patio for when you have a pool. Here is the guest side with the guest bathroom, nice sized counter and cabinets here, nicely done. The tub shower combo has a nice tile, and again, you know, tiled ceiling and everything. There is a linen closet behind the door here, and then the guest bedroom is right here. Again, you have the newer carpeting, a full-size closet, and nice views in the bump out area of the backyard and the green belt. So I hope that you enjoyed this little tour. I'm Mary Ann Lilly. I'm at Remax Harbor Realty. And again, the property is at 1394 Neapolitan Road in Punta, Gorda, Florida. And you can always call me at 941-764-7585.